The result or everything? I know. Let's go to goals. So they have a big quality in the offense, in the striker. We know that it's always not easy to defend. I think the first goal we have to defend much better. We have the big chance to get in 2-1 against one situation the ball. We miss this and then they get the red card and directly then the first goal for Atletico. The VAR was very focused today for Atletico, so it's like that. He's a German guy, thanks to Germany. And I don't know what happens in the situation when the goalkeeper starts the game and the defender stop it with the hand and then play again. It's for me a clear red card, or double yellow, and there's a red card and penalty. And maybe it changed totally different, but I think they can explain it why it was not like this. So it's like that. We have to accept that. I think, and this is what maybe I'm a little bit longer now, because I think we played good in the first half and also in the second half. With one player less, we give everything. So today we were not lucky. But at the end, we are looking for the next game in Atletico. We are positive. And we'll fight. We will give everything. So it's not done yet, and I know it's far away, maybe for the semi-final, but we have a chance, and we will try. We try everything. Pedri had some problems, not big problems, but in this situation, we need him. We need him, and so we make the decision decided to take him off the pitch and Gavi in. And I think Gavi also make a fantastic game in the second half. Same with Dani Olmo. I think everyone tried to give the best, and we have with one player less, a lot of ball possession, but also have some situation to score a goal. I think Lamine made a fantastic game, so this is unbelievable. I think also sometimes it's like, what I feel it's maybe not every situation it's a foul, but a lot of situations it's the first touch, the second touch, and when you dribble, it's normal, and it's not advantage for you. You have to normally see this, but at the end it's like that. I think the referees, I don't want to speak about them. It's better for me and also for them. No, from my perspective, it's like it's clear. He has to call and has to say, okay, come on, look at this, the same like before. And I don't understand why, but it's how I said before. They will have an explanation for this, why it's not a yellow card, why it's like that. I don't know. I haven't spoke with the referee. I think it was better also today not to speak with him. It's like that. We have to accept it, and how I say, we have to focus on the match on the next Tuesday in Atletico. We have the quality. We have the players who can decide, who can make the changes. And of course, we have to fight, and this will be another game like today. So I cannot believe that it's not a red card. So I'm clear on your side, and it feels not good. It feels unfair, but at the end, it's football. It's like that, and so we have to accept. I said before, and we do it, and we will fight on next Tuesday. You say it. We have also a derby on Saturday. In 3 days, it's the next match. So we have to see how we manage this game. It's also important for us to win, and then we focus on the game against Atletico. But now today, I think we can speak about this match. On Tuesday, we will see. We analyze everything. We'll see, okay, what kind of options we have, and then we go for that. Of course, when you saw today, so we speak about Lamine, okay, And of course he's disappointed. Everyone was disappointed. But Lamine played a fantastic game. From the beginning till the end, in the defense and in the offense. And he had one situation, he overplay 3, 4, 5 players. It's unbelievable. And I said it yesterday, he's 18 years old. And for me, he's doing a fantastic job. We have to support him. This is the thing. Not make so many noise about things. Maybe it's not right. He's 18 years old. Come on, and he's for your country. He will be one of the best players ever in the history. And so it's good also to support him, and sometimes also to protect him from the referees, because it's for me sometimes it's not everything illegal, but sometimes it's nearly there, and also the referees, they have to protect him. Not only him, I like more, this kind of players, because this is why everyone goes in the stadium. Everyone wants to see football. About these players, Mbappé, Vinicius Junior, about here, Lamine, Petri. This is why, and I think sometimes it's too much aggressive there. I know it's maybe it's a point of view, how you see it. I see it like that, and I think it's good to think about that for the referees, for everyone. I think too much for me. It's good when the game didn't interrupt. They didn't interrupt the game, but in some situation, I think it's necessary.